Qualcomm is getting ready to release a new chip called Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. It's expected to come out in October and will have a powerful Oryon CPU. This information comes from Don McGuire, who is the Chief Marketing Officer of Qualcomm. He revealed some important details about Qualcomm's upcoming products, including highlights about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 during the Mobile World Congress 2024 in Barcelona. The next chip from Qualcomm, called Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, is set to follow the 8 Gen 3. It's going to be the best chip Qualcomm offers for phones. Many new high-end phones from various companies will likely use this chip. If Samsung plans to use the 8 Gen 4 in their Galaxy S25 phones, they might get a special version from Qualcomm that's even faster. This special chip will have a higher clock speed, allowing it to handle more tasks simultaneously. The upcoming flagship system-on-chip SoC from Qualcomm will feature custom Oryon CPUs. This announcement will be made official during the Snapdragon Summit 2024, scheduled to happen in October of this year. Qualcomm's transition from ARM cores to custom CPU cores is expected to give them a significant competitive edge. This move, coupled with their access to TSMC's second-generation 3M production process, is crucial for competing with Apple's silicon chips. The new flagship SoC for mobile devices will be officially unveiled in October 2024 during the traditional Snapdragon Summit. Qualcomm has already confirmed that Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 has undergone initial benchmarking, showing promising results compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in most Android flagships in 2024. These results suggest the utilization of Oryon cores. The CPU of the new SoC is anticipated to introduce a significant shift in cluster structure, moving away from efficiency cores and focusing solely on prime cores and performance cores, likely adopting a 2+6 structure, with clock frequencies reaching up to 4 GHz for the two prime cores. Alongside CPU improvements, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected to feature an enhanced neural processing unit, NPU, to better compete in the artificial intelligence field. However, it remains to be seen whether Qualcomm will be able to effectively compete with Apple in this regard.
Snapdragon Summit's coming up in October. I know it seems like a far time frame away, but there's going to be some really cool stuff as our mobile platforms are reinvented with our Oryon CPU. So there's going to be some really cool stuff coming down the pipe between you and I around this supercharged CPU, along with this evolution of our NPU story. And that's going to be a killer combo in our Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 announcement, which I'm sure you guys can't wait to hear about, coming in October 2024.
Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.